welcome back to my channel. Yes, I did not clickbait you. This is a DIY video. I'm just here for a few seconds to let you know what supplies you need and to let you know that there are step-by-steps. I've written it all out in a blog post for each of these DIYs. I'll put the links down in the description for you guys. So without much further ado, let's get on with the supply list. You are going to need, let me grab my notebook here so I don't miss anything. You are going to need eye pins, silver chain, jump rings, spring rings, crimp beads, wire, lobster claws or your preferred closure. That sounds weird. Your preferred closure. Am I a therapist now? No, your preferred closure as in clasp. And you will also need obviously pendants and beads to make beaded jewelry. And necklaces normally go with pendants. You can obviously make, wrap around necklaces, but that's not what the tutorial is today. Alright, and then the tools you're going to need, so your pliers, you're going to need your flathead pliers, needle nose pliers, and your round nose pliers. And you'll also need wire cutters. That's also what you'll need to get all of these tutorials done. That's all you're going to need to do all three of these. Necklace tutorials. DIYs, do it yourself, make your own fancy jewelry, cause it's fun, and we have way too much time on our hands now. So let's get into the tutorials before I start dancing. Again, make sure you check out the description for step-by-step written out instructions on how to do these tutorials or necklace designs, and I'll also link. I will link some cool bead shops down in the description as well, so you guys can shop some unique beads and support small businesses. Alright, get on with the tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
that I realized because I was half asleep. It was at this moment that I realized I was half asleep. Hopefully that's a little bit less weird for you guys. Less weird for you guys.